Hello my fellow chef knife enthusiasts! In this video I'm going to show you a Yu Kurosaki Senko. I already made a video about a Yu Kurosaki Senko Gyuto right there. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. This video is not so much about the Senko blade itself, but more about the handle and the saya. So it is a Yu Kurosaki Senko blade combined with a traditional Japanese indigo dyed handle and saya. The Senko I Tenmoku is packed with Japanese tradition. Can't really get any more Japanese like this. I have bought this Senko Bunka through a Kickstarter project. This Kickstarter project was created by Edit Japan. CEO Akiyuki Sakamoto collaborated with Yu Kurosaki to make a special edition of Kurosaki Senko knives. For those people who never heard of Yu Kurosaki and lived under a stone, Yu Kurosaki is a young blacksmith located in Takefunai village in Echizen. He was born in Fukui Prefecture in 1979. He's the youngest Japanese blacksmith to be certified as a Japanese traditional craftsman, or Dento Kogishi. The characteristics of Yu Kurosaki knives are his beautiful, intricate Tsuchime finishes, the hammered patterns on his knives. I pledged for this Bunka because I didn't have a Bunka from Yu Kurosaki in my collection yet. I already have a Petty, 2 Gyutos and a Chukobocho. The Bunka is a knife that is widely used in Japanese homes and is similar to the Santoku. When compared to the Santoku, the most obvious difference is the K-tip instead of the curved tip of a Santoku. The functionality of the Bunka is basically the same as the Santoku, cutting a variety of vegetables, meat and fish with ease. For those that like sharp angles more than smooth curves, this knife is the one for you. Obviously the knife came in a box, but the box was also wrapped in this traditional Japanese paper, or what they call washi in Japanese. And I must say that it made the unboxing even a little bit more special. A pin is also included so that the sheath doesn't come off easily and is attached with a navy leather string. This kitchen knife uses a steel material called super gold high-speed stainless steel, commonly known as R2 SG2 steel. Mr. Kurosaki has been making many kitchen knives using R2 and SG2 as the main steel material for a long time. So with his experience and achievements, he's able to maximize its abilities. The unique hammer design is a characteristic of Kurosaki's work, and that is no different to the series being produced this time, the Senko. Inspired by the Senko incense sticks from Japan. The series has a beautiful sparkle of quadrangular pyramid-shaped hammer marks. The handle and sheath are made by natural magnolia wood with indigo dye. It is a unique, special pattern that is not found anywhere else in the world. The reason for using indigo dyeing is not for visual purposes only, but also for enhancing the hygienic qualities of the handle and the sheath. Indigo has been said to have antibacterial properties since ancient times. Japanese farmers wear indigo-dyed clothing because they appear to have insect-repelling properties. Japanese people drink indigo tea as a medicinal herb. They actually eat it with leaves. And they apply it to the skin. In the era of the samurai, indigo was perceived as a lucky color as well. When talking about indigo dyeing, it usually involves cloth. But the technique of indigo dyeing wood is a special one that was established only in Tokushima, where wood crafts such as high-class furniture were originally popular. It is a difficult technique just to dye wood indigo, but this time they adopted a pottery technique known as Tenmoku. Tenmoku is a technique that repels indigo with water to create a bright color imitating a star in the galaxy or sky. And the technique of lacquering is called Kanshitsu. The Kanshitsu dry lacquer gives this feeling of unevenness on the surface of the handle. By equipping 3 traditional Japanese techniques on this handle and sheath, they were able to realize enhanced hygiene, grip due to unevenness, and vivid visuals. So these handles are not for sale in any store, are not available via any reputable seller. It was only available through this Kickstarter project.